Okay, so next we will see the workout that we want to move a file from D drive to desktop, and we want to rename that file, and also we want to practice how to move folder backward. Okay, so we will see this one. See, first thing is I want to move a file from D drive to desktop. Okay, so let me see this, how to move this file. Okay, first time open command prompt. Okay, so in this you can see, okay, first I want to see, okay, first I want to change the drive. Okay, now I am in C drive. Okay, now I want to change the drive, D drive. So D column. Okay, so in D drive I want to see the files and folders list. So I'm D here. Okay, so in this okay, I want to go to this folder, MS-DOS folder. Okay, so I'm using CD. Okay, so I'm using CD. Okay, and then I copy this one and paste here. Okay, so now, okay, I'm in the folder. Okay, now I'm in the folder MS-DOS folder. Okay, now I want to see the files in this folder. So in this I'm having this file. Okay, biodata 01, biodata 111. Okay, for example, I want to see here. In this I told I want to move a file from D drive to desktop. Okay, so the word move means we want to cut and copy. Okay, that is the meaning of move. Okay, so for moving a file the command is move command. Okay, move. Okay, so this is move command. So in this, see, okay, so in the MS-DOS folder, okay, so in the D drive, in the MS-DOS folder, there is a file. The file name is biodata 111. Okay, so I want to move this folder to, okay, I want to move this file to desktop. Okay, so first okay, first thing what I'm doing is, okay, first thing is I'm okay, first thing is I'm getting the location of desktop location. Okay, I'm getting desktop location. Okay, so for this I'm doing like this. Okay, see, this is so this is desktop location. Okay, so desktop location, this one is desktop location. Okay, so for getting desktop location I did like this. Okay, I went to C drive. Okay, so and then I went to admin. Okay, and then I went desktop. Okay, to get the desktop location I went like this. Okay, okay, now I'm going to D drive. Okay, so in the D drive there is a file. The file name is this one. Okay, biodata 111. I want to move this file to the desktop location. Here, desktop. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just typing move. Okay, and then I'm giving the file name. I want to give this file name. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, and then I give location. Okay, where I want to move this file. Okay, I want to move this file here, desktop. Okay, so okay, I want to move this file in desktop. Okay, so this is desktop location. So okay, so this one is desktop location. I want to move this file. Okay, I'm just copying this one and pasting here. Okay, so okay, now you can see the commands. Command is I want to move a file. Okay, this file in the MS-DOS folder. Okay, so this file is in this folder. Okay, I want to move this file from this folder to desktop. Okay, so the location of desktop is this one. Okay, and we enter. Okay, so here you can see the one file moved. Okay, so in desktop you can see the file name. Okay, the file name is biodata 111. Okay, so in the desktop you can see here. Okay, okay, so you can see this one. Okay, the biodata 111 folder. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, so this is the way of moving a file. Okay, from one location to another location. Okay, so you want to mention the location. Okay, so Okay, it is very important. Okay, so next thing is I want to change the name. Okay, I want to rename the file. Here, see here. So next thing is I want to rename that file. Okay, so for this I want to use the command ren. See, the command is ren. Okay, so ren command is to rename the files. Okay, so what I'm doing is the file is in desktop. Okay, so I'm going to desktop. For this I want to go first to C drive. I went to desktop. Okay, so in this the file is here. Okay, so okay, so here the file is here. Okay, here. Okay, so the file name is biodata. Okay, so I want to change this name to some other name. So what I'm doing is I'm just rename. Okay, and then give the file name. Okay, file name. Okay, and to which name I want to change means, suppose I want to change bio D222. Okay, so this is okay. So this file is in desktop. Okay, so I want to change this, rename this file as like this. Okay, and now I am doing enter. Okay, so now the file name. Okay, now the file name changed to this. So okay, you can see this one. See here. Okay, now the file name changed to like this. Okay, biodata222. Okay, so this is the way of renaming the file. Okay. Okay, suppose I'm in D drive. Okay, I'm in D drive. Okay, I want to rename the file in C drive. Okay, I'm in D drive. Okay, I want to rename the file in C drive. Okay, how to do means you just ren. Okay, you give location name. Okay, now location name and the file name. The file name is this one. Okay, this one. Copy this one and paste here. Okay, to which name I want to rename is, okay, to the old name, biodata 111. Okay, so now it is changed. Okay, so you can see in the C drive. See here. Okay, you can see again. See, now it is changed to again. So you want to mention the location. If you are some other drive, see now. Okay, I'm in D drive. Okay, so I'm in D drive. Okay, I want to rename a file in C drive. Okay, so if you want to rename the file in C drive, you want to give the location of the file. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, the location is this one. Okay, so this is location. Okay, so if you feel okay, if you find difficult to find the file location, okay, what you do is you just go to the file. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so in this file you right click. Okay, right click this one, and the properties you see. Okay, in the properties you can see the file location here. Okay, so this is the easier way of okay, this is the easy way of finding the file location. Okay, so you just go to the file. In the property section you see the file location. Okay, so this is the easier way. Okay, so the file location is this one. Okay, so, okay, this is the file location of the file biodata22. Okay, next we will see how to move backward. Okay, how to move backward. See here. Okay, so I am in the C drive. Okay, in the desktop folder. Okay, suppose I want to move backward. Backward means I want to move to admin. Okay, and then I want to move to the user. Okay, and then I want to move to the C drive. Like means how to do backward means, see, normally we will do backward like this. Okay, you just type cd dot dot. Okay, cd dot dot. Okay, so you are going backward. Okay, so to go backward you just type cd dot dot.